A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. When a function calls itself repeatedly, the concept is known as recursion. A lambda function is an anonymous function without a specific name. In Python, functions are created using the def keyword. The return keyword ends the function execution and sends a value back. A colon is used after the function definition line in Python. Required arguments must be passed to a function in the correct positional order. Python functions do not require specifying data types, but keywords cannot be used as function names. To check divisibility by 4 in Python, we use the condition x modulo 4 equals 0. The keyword def is used to define any function in Python. A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task, and it can be called multiple times within a program. Python supports different types of functions including user-defined functions, built-in functions, lambda functions, and recursive functions. Functions reduce repeated code, improve code reuse, and help organize programs into modular components. Variable scope defines where a variable can be accessed in a program. The two main types are local scope and global scope. A global variable is declared outside functions and can be accessed from anywhere in the program. In recursion, a base condition is the stopping point that prevents the function from repeating endlessly. Python allows adjusting recursion depth using sys.setRecursionLimit, which sets the maximum number of recursive calls allowed. Local variables are created inside a function and can only be accessed within that function. They exist only during the execution of the function, and function parameters are also treated as local variables. Variables declared outside functions are global by default. The global keyword is required only when modifying that variable inside a function. If a global variable is modified inside a function using the global keyword, the change affects the variable everywhere in the program. The ceil function rounds a number up to the nearest integer, while the floor function rounds a number down to the nearest integer. This program checks whether a year is divisible by 4. If it is, the program prints leap year, otherwise it prints not a leap year. Function composition means using the result of one function as the input to another function, often by nesting function calls. A recursive function calls itself repeatedly until a base condition is satisfied, after which the recursion stops and returns the result. When defining a function in Python, we use the def keyword, place parameters inside parentheses, use a colon followed by indentation, and return values using the return statement. Python supports several types of functions including user-defined functions, built-in functions, lambda functions, and recursive functions. Each type helps perform tasks efficiently and allows code reuse. Variable scope defines where a variable can be accessed in a program. Python mainly uses local scope inside functions and global scope outside functions. Python built-in functions like id, chr, round, type, and pow perform common operations such as identifying objects, converting characters, rounding numbers, checking types, and calculating powers. This program calculates the least common multiple of two numbers by checking multiples until a value divisible by both numbers is found. A recursive function is a function that calls itself repeatedly until a base condition stops the process. A common example is calculating factorial using recursion.